kaketa and kaketa consists of the verb kakeru, which means to be able to write, or the verb kakeru, which means to be able to draw, and ta, the verb helper ta, which works as past or present perfect marker. Kaketa. Actually, there are many Japanese verbs which can be read kaketa.
As I mentioned in the last video, kakeru has many meanings, so kaketa has many meanings too. Please check it on the dictionary.
But here I'll just introduce these two. And if you write these kaketa, kakeru, or kaku with hiragana, you don't need to distinguish them. Because Japanese children don't distinguish them. They write it with hiragana, 絵を描く、字を書く. They don't distinguish to write or to draw. Kaketa was chipped, was lacking. Kaketa, 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 kaketa. So we can say お皿がかけた. Was able to draw a plate or was able to write 漢字皿, お皿がかけた. And お皿がかけた, a plate was chipped. お皿がかけた, a plate was chipped. If you are interested in が行鼻濁音, お皿がかけたが行鼻濁音. お皿がかけた ordinarily が. Please watch this video. Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください.